author mentions a hadith. قال الإمام الصادق عليه السلام إذا بلغت المرأة 50 سنة لم تر حمرة إلا أن تكون امرأة من قريش. This hadith, which is a valid hadith, it says if this woman comes from Quraysh. Who's Quraysh? Only the Sadat? No. Those in Mecca, you had about 40 tribes who were considered part of the big Quraysh tribe. Now the family of the Prophet ﷺ, the Bani Hashim, they're also one of Quraysh. So the hadith says if a woman comes from the Quraysh tribe, in our times, most of those Arabs, their ancestry got lost in history. So many women probably don't know if they're from Quraysh or not, except the Sayedas, the Hashimiyas, or we call them the Alwiyas, right? Alawiyas. If a female whose father is a Sayyid, so she's also a Sayyid, right? Now we don't call her Sayyid, we either call her Sayyida or Alawiya, or Alwiya in Iraqi, for example, we call her Alwiya. If she comes from Quraysh or from Bani Hashim, the Imam alayhi salam in this hadith, he says the age of Ya's for her is 60. That's when she reaches the religious menopause. So 58. If she's not from Quraysh, she's not a Sayyid, then her age is 50, which means 48 and a half. It's about 48.5 in our solar calendar. Why is that the case? The hadith does not explain why, so we don't have a definitive answer for that. It could be for a number of reasons. One reason is that those tribes, maybe, due to their environment, climate, diet, circumstances, genetic factors, maybe their menopause was delayed. Probably, that could be a case. A second reason, it could be to honor the Bani Hashim and the family of the Prophet ﷺ. Because when you delay this age of menopause, what's the effect of that? Well, she can have children, right? What else?
She can marry.
What do you mean she can marry? Well, a woman can marry anytime, right?
Even after years?
Yeah, even after years. If she, I know what you're referring to. If she is divorced, for instance, before the age of achieving this, she has to have a waiting period, right? But if she achieves religious menopause and she's divorced, does she have to have a waiting period? No. She could be divorced and she could get married the next day. But if she's under that age, whether we consider it 60 or 50, then no, she has to wait 3 periods. Maybe that, is a special law that applies to them. So honestly, I don't have a definitive answer because the hadith does not mention one. If the hadith did mention it, we would know. So anything that scholars mention are just possibilities. We don't know if that's the reason why there's a difference. So we do have a hadith from the Imam alayhi salam. It's not just one hadith, it's multiple hadiths that say the Qurashiyya, her age is 60. Anyone who's not a Qurashiyya, her age is 50. So that's one group of scholars who've actually issued this fatwa. Amongst them, Sayyid al-Shirazi. His fatwa is according to this hadith. And then we have other scholars who believe the age is 50 for everyone, whether she's Qurashiyya or she's not Qurashiyya.